From toast at breakfast to sandwiches at lunch to the breadbasket at dinner time, bread is eaten all over the world. In our Western diet it is a staple food. But with the increased popularity of gluten-free and low-carb diet, bread has gotten a bad reputation. But is it really a bad thing to eat bread every day? Well, that all depends. Primarily on the variety of bread you choose, and how much of it you consume. The dietary guidelines for Americans and the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics encourage Americans to make half our grains whole grains, and for good reason. Whole grain bread is made with the entire intact wheat kernel, which means it retains all its fiber and important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. White bread, on the other hand, is made by stripping the wheat kernel of its nutrient-rich germ and bran. This may make for a tastier, more shelf-stable product, but cuts back on nutritional value. Here's a look at the possible health effects of eating bread every day. Number 1. It could spike your blood sugar. If you're watching your blood sugar, getting your daily white bread isn't advisable. According to Harvard Health, powerful blood sugar spikes from eating high glycemic foods can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and overweight. Number 2. It could harm your microbiome. If lower fiber white bread consistently edges out whole wheat in your diet, it may spell trouble for your microbiome, aka the colony of bacteria in your gut. On the other hand, other studies show that choosing whole wheat bread, which is rich in the prebiotic fiber that feeds a healthy microbiome, has positive effects on gut bacteria. But eating white bread is not all bad for you. It can add vitamins and minerals to your diet. When the refining process strips wheat of its natural nutrients, most bread producers enrich these nutrients back into their product, sometimes even going the extra mile by fortifying bread with extra micronutrients. Commonly added nutrients include folic acid and iron, both of which play important roles in health. Another benefit it offers is that it'll fuel your body and brain with carbs. Despite the bad reputation of carbohydrates, they are not actually an enemy to your health. In fact, they are the body's preferred energy source, providing fuel to your trillions of cells. Meanwhile, the brain runs primarily on glucose, carbs' most simplified form. Since the average slice of bread contains around 15 grams of carbs, eating it regularly can help power your everyday activities. While whole wheat bread, with its more satiating complex carbs, will keep you fuller longer, a serving of white bread on occasion isn't going to sabotage your diet. Plain white bread doesn't offer the same nutrition as 100% whole grain. It can still be a part of a healthy diet. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.